I mean, name catches people because it's pretty much manly. We come from Europe, and it represents like a bit of that as well. We do an old school treat, which is haircuts and shave, nothing fancy. We have the hot towel shave included, which a lot of other places they don't, and brings back on time the niche and the treat of that. Of course, everybody starts with a refer. I listen to my uncle. He's like, okay, it's something that you can do, and I fall in love. I'm pretty good with hands. As a trade itself is like a craft. Pretty much to be a good one, you have to do custom work to everybody to be able to fit their head, not just a haircut. So it's not a simple haircut. Being part of Stoney Creek is it's pretty chill vibe all around, and community helps. Yes, being recognized as a young entrepreneur is another eye open to hard work pays off, and dedication it's a part of it. Care, I always say, is the main ingredient. The future looks great. We're working on team building more, and being part of Stoney Creek Chamber definitely helps. They come with benefits and everything. Future-wise, we want to put roots as much as we can and be here forever. Being a chamber member, it's definitely helpful. It's a lot of business in the chamber, which it helps each other recognizing each other. So if a young professional wants to become a young professional, has to believe in itself first. It's one of the keys to go further or make it happen. And don't be afraid to ask questions about future, about build-up, about relationship with the business itself. You have to treat it as a baby, which means you're gonna do mistakes. Sometimes they're hard mistakes to be able to take it, but you grow from there. Bald face too, it's another part that we specialize. We do long hairs, we have special barbers, of course. We do kids, seniors, everybody's happy, like all family comes together because it's inviting.